Guys, today we are going to eat our favorite rice and lala. I think ito yung pinaka the best talaga na tinatawag dito lala na natikman ko sa buong buhay ko. Super sarap. Oh my goodness. Baho pa lang. Kasi ito may halong rice wine. Bongga yung lasa. Oh wow. Ang ganda naman ng ibon. Wait lang. Yan guys, oh. Super ganda ng ibon na yan. Oh wow. Mukha lang siya ng mulberry. Look at that. Super ganda ng kulay. Yung isa